Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Our today's topic is about muscles of hands. Actually, this is a very difficult topic for many students, but don't you worry, you are at right place and I will make sure that by the end of this video, you will be able to learn this topic on your fingertips. First of all, remember that dorsum of hand has no muscles, only palm has muscles. To discuss these muscles of hand have divided into three groups: muscles of palm, muscles of thenar eminence, and muscles of hypothenar eminence. Muscles of thenar eminence are at the base of the thumb, however, muscles of hypothenar eminence are at the base of the little finger. Firstly, let me give you an overview of these muscle groups. Muscles of palm include palmaris brevis, lumbricals, interosseae. Muscles of thenar eminence means at the base of the thumb include abductor pollicis brevis, adductor pollicis, flexor pollicis brevis, and opponens pollicis. Muscles of hypothenar eminence means at the base of the little finger include abductor digiti minimi, flexor digiti minimi, opponens digiti minimi. Just remember that origin and insertion is not required at this level. We just require muscle's name, action, and its nerve supply. Still, if you wanna do it, you can do it from your books. Firstly, we will discuss the muscles of palm, the palmaris brevis muscle. Palmaris means it is the muscle of palm, and brevis means it is a short muscle. So it is a small quadrangular muscle and its action is cupping of hands. Name of muscle tell us the whole story. Its action is like we make hand cup to drink water from hands. Moreover, this muscle give us a gripping strength. Now, lumbricals. These are 4 in numbers, and as you can see that these muscle passes from metacarpals and attach at the fingers, so it has two functions. Firstly, it flexes the metacarpophalangeal joint and extends the fingers. Now the interosseae muscles. These muscles are divided into palmar interosseae and dorsal interosseae. Firstly, we will discuss about palmar interosseae. Inter means between and ossea means bones that are metacarpals. As you can see in the diagram that these muscles are present on the palmar side and between the bones of metacarpals. Action of palmar interosseae muscle can be memorized by a word pad. That means palmar interosseae do adduction. Dorsal interosseae muscles are present on the dorsal side of the hand and between metacarpal bones. Action of this muscle can be memorized by a word dab. That means dorsal interosseae adducts the fingers. Now we will discuss about the muscles of thenar eminence that are present at the base of the thumb one by one. In these muscles you will see a word pollicis in common. Pollicis mean thumb, brevis mean short muscle. The abductor pollicis brevis muscle, the action of this muscle can be memorized by the name of muscle. It does abduction of the thumb, that is, it moves the thumb away from the body. So, it is a short abductor of the thumb. The flexor pollicis brevis muscle, the action of this muscle is flexion of the thumb. As I already told that name tell the whole story. Next muscle is opponens pollicis. It helps in a movement called as opposition as we move our thumb while reciting tasbih. This muscle will help us in reciting tasbih. Last muscle of the thenar eminence is adductor pollicis muscle. As the name indicates that it moves the thumb towards the body. Now let's talk about the muscles of hypothenar eminence. These are the muscles that are present at the base of the little finger. These are 3 in numbers, and firstly we will discuss about abductor digiti minimi. Digiti minimi means little finger. As name indicate that this muscle will move the little finger away from the body. Now flexor digiti minimi. Action of this muscle is to flex the little finger. The opponent's digiti minimi. It will help in the opposition movement of little finger. That was all about the muscles of hands. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my next videos.